Worried about your Telegram wallet linked to Hamster Kombat? Let's get that sorted right now and secure your digital assets. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account where you play Hamster Kombat. The steps are the same for both Android and iOS devices. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. This is how we will find the Hamster Kombat bot. Type Hamster Kombat in the search bar. Select the official Hamster Kombat bot from the search results. Ensure it has a verified checkmark to avoid interacting with a fake bot. Once you are in the Hamster Kombat bot chat, look for the menu icon located at the bottom left of the screen. Tap on this menu icon to open available commands. Look through the menu options for something related to your wallet or settings. It might be labeled wallet, settings, or something similar. Tap on it. If you don't find it, you may have to type start to initiate a new instance of the bot. In the wallet or settings menu, you should find an option to disconnect or unlink your wallet. The exact wording might vary, but look for something that indicates removing the linked wallet. Select that option. The bot will likely ask you to confirm that you want to disconnect your wallet. Read the confirmation message carefully and tap the confirm button if you are sure. You should then see a message confirming that your wallet has been successfully unlinked from Hamster Kombat. This ensures that your Telegram wallet is no longer connected to the game. Remember to enable two-factor authentication on your Telegram account for added security, and always be cautious of phishing scams. Keep your digital assets safe.